Team Mind Readers. Team RIT Kottayam. Team Uncle Bites. Team Ambassadors. Team Chaos. Okay, are you ready to start off with the first round, Dig the Doodle? Okay.
Oh, dig the doodle, what's that?
You might be a regular user of Google, but how well do you know it's Doodle? Now,
I call upon the Quizmasters, Pritika Meryl Prasad and Dina Lynn Matai.
Good morning, everyone, and congratulations to the selected 12. So today we get started with our first event, Dig the Doodle. Dina, what are the guidelines?
Round is very simple. Each team will be asked 3 questions from various Google Doodles. A team can pass the questions to the other teams. Right answer gives 20 marks to the right team. Then if you are getting the right answer for the past question, then you get 10 points. And no worries, there are no negative points. So you guys can try anything you want. This is all on you. Then you have 20 questions for each, 20 seconds for each question. Now, if no team answers, then audience, you guys have the chance. You can answer, and there are exciting prizes for your answer. So don't worry, you can also be the winners over here. So, are you all ready? There's no energy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
So let's get started. So this is your first question. Identify this Google Doodle. Yes, any answers? Shoot.
Hello. In memory of Augusta Ada, first programmer.
That's the right answer. 20 points. The next question, Team Mind Readers, identify this Google Doodle shown on the screen. Come on, make a big guess. Anything?
Time is running out.
That's the end. Is that a pass?
Pass. Team RIT.
Team RIT. That's the right answer. 20 points. 10 points, sorry. Can we have the next question?
Okay.
Team RIT Kottayam. Sorry? That's the right answer. 20 points.
Okay. Uncle Bites, it's your turn. Identify the doodle shown on the screen. It's pretty simple, I guess. Audience, please don't say any answers and give them any ideas. You have your turn. Pass. Ambassadors?
Traffic lights.
Can you be a little more specific?
History of traffic lights.
No, your answer is almost right, but what kind of traffic light?
Binary.
No. Pass. Team Chaos. The answer is almost right. You just need to modify the bits.
Stop and go traffic light.
No, all the traffic lights are stop and go. It's not right. Team Raven.
It's as part of road safety. Something.
No.
Digital.
Sorry. Mind readers. Wrong answer.
Anniversary of starting using traffic lights.
Give me an answer about what kind of traffic light it is. The traffic lights can be of different types. I can't say the answer because it can be a helping clue.
Some lights, color, using color.
Audience, it's your turn. What kind of traffic light was this? That's the right answer. It's the first electric traffic light. So, you get a winner. You get a prize right now. So, what's your name? Aravind, from which college? From NSS College, Aravind. Okay. Now to team ambassadors. Identify the doodle shown on the screen. It's about a person. Just identify the person about whom the doodle is. Pass. Team Chaos. There are no negative marks. Just give it a try. Pass. Team Raven.
SQL.
Wrong answer. Mind readers.
Sorry.
No, wrong answer.
Near.
Wrong answer. Uncle Bites. Pass. That's the right answer. What's your name? We have a winner from Rush Government College. The answer is it's Grace Hopper's birthday. It was a doodle used to commemorate her birthday. So the last question of the first round. Team Chaos. Which scientist's work is shown in this doodle? Please don't say the answers. Keep it to yourself.
Thomas Alva Edison.
Right answer. 20 points to Team Chaos. So that's the end of the first round. Now we begin right again.
So now we get started with the second round. Team Raven. What is the Google Doodle?
Albert Einstein.
No.
Sorry.
Pass the question to mind readers. That's the wrong answer. RIT got him.
Johannes Kepler.
Uncle Bite.
Rutherford.
Wrong answer. Ambassadors. Final answer.
The photoelectric effect.
No. Chaos. So to the audience. The right answer. The answer is Niels Bohr. Next question. Team Mind Readers. To celebrate which mathematician's birthday did Google use this doodle? Sorry? No, that's the wrong answer. RIT got him. That's 20 points. 10. That's 10 points. The next question. Team RIT got him. Identify the inventor of the invention shown in this doodle. Is there an answer?
Albert Einstein.
That's the wrong answer. We pass it on to Uncle Bites.
Volta.
Correct answer.
Uncle Bites get 10 points.
points.
The answer was Volta. The next question to Uncle Bites itself. Identify the structure in this doodle.
Eiffel Tower.
Right answer. Uncle Bites gets 20 points. The structure is Eiffel Tower. The next question to team ambassadors. Honoring which mathematician's work was this doodle used?
George Boole.
Right answer. Team ambassadors get 20 points. Next question. The answer was George Boole. Boole. Sorry. The next question to Team Chaos. Identify the occasion for which this doodle was used. Sorry, don't say the answer, guys. Don't throw the excitement away.
Water on Mars.
Right answer. Team Chaos gets 20 points. It was used for on the occasion on which we found water on Mars.
We move on to the third round. Team Raven. On honor of whose work did Google use this doodle? Any guesses?
Bithor.
No, that's the wrong answer. Mind readers. That's the right answer. 10 points. Team RIT got him. The answer is W.A. Mozart. The next question to Team Mind Readers. Identify the occasion for which this doodle was used. The time. Is there an answer? It's passed on to Team RIT Kottayam.
Mechanical engineers.
No, that's the wrong answer. Team Uncle Bites.
World Labor Day.
That's the right answer. 10 points. Team Uncle Bites. The answer is World Labor Day. The next question to RIT Kottayam. The question on the screen. Identify the person in this doodle. Do not shout out the answers. The time is running out. That's a pass. Team Uncle Bites. That's a pass. Team Ambassadors. Team Chaos. Is there an answer? That's a pass.
Yes. Kiran Kumar.
Sorry?
Sorry. Kishore Kumar.
That's the right
Right
answer. 10 points to Team Raven. The answer is Kishore Kumar.
It's the final round, guys. Don't take the excitement away. The question for Uncle Bites. Identify the person in this doodle. Pass. Team ambassadors.
Ranbir Kapoor's father.
That's not. How can you just say the name, please?
One some Kapoor.
No, wrong answer. Team Chaos.
Rishi Kapoor.
Wrong answer. Team Raven.
Devanand.
Wrong answer. Mind readers. Wrong answer. Okay, guys. No, he raised his hand first. He shouldn't have said. That is not how we work around over here. That's not how we work. I'm sorry, guys. The answer was Raj Kapoor, but one person raised a hand, another shouted out. So, sorry, the answer is Raj Kumar, not Kapoor. Kumar. It's Raj Kumar. The answer is Raj Kumar. So,
The answer is Rajkumar.
yes. The answer is Raj Kumar. I'm sorry, guys. This round doesn't have a winner. We are the winners. The Questmasters get the prize. Don't worry. Okay, now the second last question. Can we forward? Can you go move up? We'll go forward? Fine? Okay, team ambassadors, your question. To honor whose work was this doodle used?
Michelangelo.
Right answer, 20 points to team ambassadors. Michelangelo's work. The last question of the round to Team Chaos. Identify the person in this doodle.
Mary Curie.
Right answer, 20 points to Team Chaos. So that concludes the round, Dig the Doodle. I hope everyone enjoyed. All the best for the teams in your further rounds. Thank you.
Hello. Can you hear me? How's it going? How's it going, all you good-looking people and teachers? Well, I got some questions for you. This is exclusively for the audience. You guys can take a break now. So, okay, and you get prizes if you get the answer right. And we got exciting prizes like the computer. Oh, I'm kidding. We can't afford a computer. It's just the USB stick. So, yeah. The USB sticks for just some questions. Other questions, you get other exciting prizes as well. So the first question, if you get this answer right, you get a USB flash drive. Remember that. What is the code name for Windows 10? You're not supposed to shout the answer, but I'll give it to you, man. Yeah, you see his excitement. That's how excited I want you to be. You know, come on, SJCT, what's going on? Get excited. Next question. Why did the Indian telecom? Why were the Indian telecom operators like Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance? Huh? Let me finish the question. Oh, and by the way, that was the wrong answer. Okay, and also you're not supposed to shout the answers. You have to raise your hands first, and if I see you raising your hands first, then I'll ask you to answer the question. That's how it works. Okay. Why were some Indian telecom operators like Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance, etc. were fined 10.8 crores recently? For what did they do with the relation limit? Yeah, that's the right answer. You don't get a USB though. You get normal prices. Are you guys bored? No? Okay, cool. Okay, I got one more question. Name the programming language released by Apple on April 2. I'm gonna disqualify you next time. Seriously, the question is, oh man, you get away the answer. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll be back after a couple of rounds. Yeah, let's enjoy the next round.
Thank you, Pritika, Sharon, and Dina.
Are you eager to know your score?
Yes, I do.
The scores are as follows. Team Chaos got 60 points. Team RIT Kottayam got 50 points. Team Uncle Bites Team Uncle Bites got 40 points. Team Ambassadors got 40 points. Team Raven got 30 points. Team Mind Readers got 0 points.
Congratulations, Team Chaos. Now let's go to the second round, round 2.
What's new in round 2?
Round 2 is Inquisitor round. Teams will be asked questions from different areas of computer science for the face-off. Now, I call upon the quiz masters, Milena Joseph and Benita Mary Benny, for the Inquisitor round.
Hello everyone. Congratulations to all the team members. Welcome to Inquisitor, the second round of Cerebro16. Let's move to the rules for this particular round.
So the rules for this round are as follows. For each team, you have to select a topic from the list. And based on this topic, you will have 5 questions. For each correct answer, you will be rewarded 15 points. And the sad faces here, we have negative points. That is -5 for each wrong answers. And you cannot pass the question to the next team. And you will have the choices. And you will have 15 seconds for each question.
The speciality of this round is that the chance for choosing the topic will be based on priority.
If you don't answer the question, then you will be rewarded with 0 points. You will not have any points.
No chances for the audience in this round, okay? So, the speciality of this round is that the chance for choosing the topic will be based on priority. And the priority will be determined by the scores obtained in round 1. So you have the scores with you, right? So let me read out the scores once more. The team with the first priority is Team Chaos with 60 points. Team RIT Kottayam with 50 points. The third and fourth position. So we'll have to take a lot to decide who comes first, okay? Who got the number 1? Okay. At the third position, we have Team Uncle Bites. And at the fourth position, we have Team Ambassadors. Fifth, Raven. And sixth, Mind Readers. So the first chance goes to Team Chaos. Please choose your topic.
You have the options like C, data structures, gaming, Android, social media, and CTP.
C.
Okay, you go with C. So you have the first question, that is, first operating system developed using C programming language. Your options are, sorry, please wait. Your options are A, DOS, then B, Windows, C, Unix, and option D, Mac.
C, Unix.
Your answer is right and you got 15 points. The second question for you is, the compiler generates dash file. Your options are A, executable code, B, object code, C, assembly code, and D, none of the above.
A executable code.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer, and -5 is detected. The correct answer is option B, object code. So let's move on to the next question. The third question for you is, identify the C compiler of Unix. Your options are A, GCC, B, CC, C, Borland, and option D, VC++.
GCC.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is option B, CC. So anyway, the next question for you is, the question number 4. What is the output of the following piece of code?
C.
It's the right answer, and you get 15 points. So let me move to the final question, that's the 5th question. In Windows and Linux, how many bytes exist for near, far, and huge pointers? Your options are near 1, far 4, huge 7. Option B, near 4, far 4, huge 4. And option C is near 0, far 4, huge 4. And option D is near 4, far 5, and huge 6.
Skip.
Okay, you don't get any points. And the answer for this question is option B, near 4, far 4, and huge 4. So that's all.
The next team is Team RIT Kottayam. Please choose one of the topics.
Social media.
You have chosen the topic social media. So your first question goes like this. Yahoo spent a staggering $1.1 billion buying which blogging site? Option A, Tumblr. Option B, Blogspot. Option C, Flickr. And option D, Instagram. Time is running out.
Skip.
The right answer is option A, Tumblr, and they don't get any points. The next question is, name the service which was not acquired by Facebook. Option A, WhatsApp. Option B, Instagram. Option C, Snapchat. Option D, Snapchat.
Snapchat.
That's the right answer, and they give 15 points. The answer is Snapchat. The next question. Identify the website co-founded by the two former Facebook employees, Adam D'Angelo and Charlie Sheaver. Option A, Quora. Option B, Stack Overflow. Option C, Chacha. And option D, Ask. Guys, the time is running out.
Pass.
The correct answer is option A, Quora. Question number 4. Who is the founding developer of WordPress? Option A, David Wathan. Option B, Matt Mullenweg. Option C, Jeff Bezos. And option D, Steve Chen.
Option B, Matt Mullenweg.
The answer is correct, and they get 15 points. The last question for Team RIT. Which of the following website allows to create your own social network? Option A, Vimeo. Option B, Script. Option C, Tumblr. And option D, Ning. Time is running out.
Pass. Skip.
The correct answer is option D, Ning. They don't get any points.
So that's all. Okay, next we'll move to the next team, that is Uncle Bytes. Please choose your option.
Android.
Okay, you have selected Android, so let's move on. Your first question is, the first Android tablet was your options are A, Samsung Galaxy Tab, option B, Nexus 7 tablet, option C, LG G Pad, and option D, EVO View. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. And the correct answer is option A, Samsung Galaxy Tab. So -5 is deducted from you, and we will move to the next question.
Audience, please be quiet. Please don't give them any clues.
So let's move on to the second question. What company built the first Nexus device? Your options are A, Foxconn, option B, Motorola, option C, Samsung, and your last option is HTC. Time is running. Okay, you don't get any points, and the answer for this question is option D, HTC. Okay, now let's move on to the third question. What was the first version to be updated with multi-touch gestures like pinch zoom? Your options are option A 4.0, option B 2.3, option C 2.1, and option D 3.0. Time is going. Sorry, it's time out. And for the answer for that question is option C 2.1. And your fourth question goes like this. What does AOSP stands for? Option A, Android Operating System Project. Option B, Android Open Source Project. Option C, Android OpenStack Programming. And your last option, Android Open Source Protocol. Option B is the right answer, and you are rewarded with 15 points. Okay, let me move to the last question for you, Uncle Bites. Yes, the right answer is option B, Android Open Source Project. So now we have the last question for you, and it's who designed the Android logo? The options are A, Irina Block, B, Andy Rubin, C, Chris White, and option D, Rich Maynard. It's the right answer. It's option A, Irina Block, and you're rewarded with 15 points. That's all for you. So next, it's for you, ambassadors. You can choose your option. Gaming.
So the chosen topic is gaming. Your first question goes like this. Identify the game which was deleted from Google Play and Apple App Store by its creator due to guilt over what he considered to be its addictive nature and overuse.
B.
Sorry?
Flappy Bird. B.
That's the right answer, and they get 15 points. Your second question goes like this. First international movie based on games. Option A, E.T., option B, Super Mario Bros., option C, Street Fighter, and option D, Doom.
Street Fighter. Street Fighter.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. And negative 5 points for team ambassadors. The correct answer is option B, Super Mario Bros. The third question for team ambassadors is father of video games. Option A, David Fox. Option B, Ed Boon. Option C, Mark Blank. And option D, Ralph Bell.
No answer.
Okay, they don't get any points. The correct answer is option D, Ralph Bell. The fourth question. Who is the developer of the Grand Theft Auto franchise? Option A, Naughty Dog. Option B, Ubisoft. Option C, Rockstar. And option D, Activision.
C, Rockstar.
That's the right answer, and they get 15 points. The last question for team ambassadors. Gaming VR headset sold by Facebook. Option A, Vive. Option B, Morpheus. Option C, PSVR. And option D, Oculus Rift. Audience, please be quiet. Time is running out.
Option D.
Yeah, that's the right answer. They get 15 points. Option D, Oculus Rift. The next team is Team Raven. So the chosen topic is data structures. Your first question is, which of the following algorithm design technique is used in the quicksort algorithm? Option A, dynamic programming. Option B, backtracking. Option C, divide and conquer. And option D, greedy method.
C, divide and conquer.
The answer is correct, and they get 15 points. The second question is, The operation of processing each element in the list is known as option A, sorting, option B, merging, option C, inserting, and option D, traversal.
D, traversal.
That's the right answer and they get 15 points. Can you hear the correct answer? The third question is, an IP address is a numeric quantity that identifies option A, a network adapter to other devices on the network, option B, the manufacturer of a computer, option C, the physical location of a computer, and option D, none of the above. Time's running out.
A network adapter to the other devices on the
That's the
network.
correct answer and they get 15 points. The fourth question for Team Raven. The complexity of binary search algorithm is option A, big O of n, option B, big O of log n, option C, big O of n square, and option D, big O of n log n.
D, big of and log n.
I'm so sorry, the answer is wrong. The correct answer is option B, big O of log n. They get negative 5 points for that answer. The last question for Team Raven. The number of possible order trees with 3 nodes A, B, C is option A 16, option B 12, option C 6, and option D 10. Time's up. So the correct answer is option B 12. They don't get any points.
So next we move on to mind readers. Please select your option. Since we have only one left, we'll move with CPP. Your first question is, identify the C++ compiler of Linux. Option A, CPP, option B, G++, option C, Borland, and your last option is VC++. G++. Your answer is right and you got 15 points. So let's move to the second question. Which of the following is not the keyword in C++? Your options are option A, volatile, option B, friend, option C, extends, and your last option is option D, this. Extends. It's the right answer and you get 15 points. So your third question is, please predict the output for the code. Your time is going. Sorry, it's over. The answer for the third question is option C, 2010. Okay, then let's move on to the fourth question. How many objects can be created from an abstract class? Your options are option A, 0, option B, 1, option C, 2, and option D, as many as we want. It's a correct answer and you get 15 points. Answer is option A, 0. And your final question is, and I hope this is the final question for this round, and the final question, that is fifth question, is choose the operator which cannot be overloaded. The options are option A, / and option B, parenthesis, option C, scope resolution parameter, and option D, modular sign. It's the right answer and you get 15 points.
The answer is scope resolution operator. So here we come to the end of the second round of Cerebro16. All the very best, guys.
Hello, guys. Are you tired? Who said yes? What happened? So I have a bunch of questions for you, some really interesting questions. And you can win prizes such as a USB stick and vouchers from eBay. So, shall I move to my first question? Are you ready? Are you ready? I can't hear anyone. Are you ready? Okay. The first question, please, no one will shout the answer. If you shout the answer, I get the prize. Okay. I'll get the USB. I'll take the vouchers. So, The first question, hear it carefully. In 2002, Jeremiah Jacks discovered the guess.com was vulnerable to a type of attack, permitting anyone able to construct a properly crafted URL to pull down 200,000 plus names, credit card numbers, and expiration dates in the site's customer database. Which popular hacking technique was proved for the first time by this action? I said, you will not shout out. I didn't say anything to you. I was just looking, okay. There were many people back at the backside, so please raise your hands. What was your answer? That's the right answer. The answer is SQL injection. So the next question, it's a USB question. Okay, first of all, I would like to ask, have you ever heard of game engines? Game engines, anyone? What's a game engine? What's a game engine? Anyone? What's a game engine? Pardon me? Pardon me. Just a second. For the information, this is not actually the USB question. The next question is the USB question. Okay, you can answer it. So, what is a game engine? Okay, so it governs the game physique. So the USB question is, the game engine used in Prince of Persia, The Forgotten Sand, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, Assassin's Creed Revelation is that guy in the black shirt. Pardon? No. Next. That's the right answer. Anvil. Now, the final question. It's not a USB question. So, name Facebook's new virtual personal assistant. Facebook's new personal assistant question. So, sorry, name Facebook's new virtual personal assistant. That guy. Right answer. So, the answer is Facebook M. So now we will be moving on to our next round. In this, it's an elimination. There is an elimination that will be going on. Scores for the teams are RIT Kottayam 80 points, Ravens 70 points, Ambassador 80 points, Chaos 80 points, Uncle Bites 65 points, and Mind Reader 60 points. So unfortunately, mind readers are eliminated. So you can please join the audience. So moving on to our next round. This round is called the science of deduction. The rules for this round are there would be only one question per team. Please note that there would be only one question per team. For each question, the team gets 5 clues about a particular tool, technology, software, hardware component, or a personality. So you have to guess out of these 5 clues. So different clues will be having different weightages. A team answering in the first clue will get 50 points. The team answering the second clue will get 40 points, and so on. 5 points will be taken for a wrong guess. So there would be negative marks, and if the team doesn't answer, the question will directly pass to the audience. So shall we start? Any doubts, any queries?
Can we answer more than one time?
No, you can guess only once. No pass. The pass goes only to the audience. If you are not able to answer the question, the pass goes to the audience. Are you ready? Audience, are you ready? So let's start. The first question goes to RIT Kottayam. The first clue is a Canadian computer scientist. He's a famous Canadian computer scientist. Next clue. Officer of the Order of Canada. He's the officer of the Order of Canada. Moving on to the next clue. He was awarded the IEEE John von Neumann Medal in 2015, sorry. Any guesses? The next clue. While working towards his doctorate, he wrote a version of Emacs called Gosmax. Okay, this is the final clue. If you answer, you'll get 10 points. Else, the audience will get the question. So, the next clue is known best as the father of the Java programming language. James Gosling is the right answer. So, you get 10 points. Team RIT Kottayam gets 10 points. The next question is to Team Raven. It's a multinational IT service company headquartered at Noida. It's the first clue. It's a very famous company. The next clue is it was founded on November 12, 1991. Any guesses? Next clue. The founder is Shiv Nadar.
HCL.
HCL is the right answer. Team Raven gets 30 points. The next question goes to Team Chaos. Okay, it is developed by Apple based on the WebKit engine.
Next.
Next clue. First released in 2003 with Mac OS X Panther.
Next.
Next clue. A mobile version has been included in iOS device since the introduction of the iPhone in 2007. Any guesses?
Next clue.
Next clue. Written in C++ and Objective-C. Any guesses? The next clue, the final clue, default browser on Apple devices.
Safari.
Safari is the right answer. And Team Chaos gets 10 points. Next, we move on to team ambassadors. The clues are: Google tracks you, we don't. Any guesses? The next clue: Apple included this in Safari browser as an optional search engine with launch of iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite. Next clue: Gabriel Weinberg is the founder and Kane Take is the first employee. Next clue. Okay, the next clue. My name includes a bird's name. That would be easy now. The next clue. Okay, the next clue. Released DuckDuckHack in 2012, which is an open source platform where anyone can suggest or create instant answers for results. Pardon me, I can hear you.
DuckDuckGo.
DuckDuckGo is the right answer. So team ambassadors get 10 points. Now the final question for Uncle Bites. The clues are: application is written in Java and Objective-C. Next clue: developers are Sahil Bloklo, Lokesh Narwani, and Viral Solanki. The next clue: this application is originally released in China with the name Shanshuang. This is really a very famous application. Any guesses? Okay, the next clue. Founded by a team originally known as nmobi.inc. Any guesses? So the final clue: application connects smartphones to share photos and other media and allows connecting PCs also.
Sender.
Pardon?
Sender.
Sender. Sender is the right answer. So team Uncle Bites get 10 points. And now we come to the end of this round.
Yeah, thanks for that. Okay, again, it's time for the audience. Okay, since these guys are answering way too much questions, this one's just for SJCT students. And if you get the answer right, you get a USB flash drive. But it's kind of a tough question for me. I don't know. The question is, what is the first ARPANET message? It's just for our college students. I'll repeat the question. Hold on, I'll get to you. What is the first ARPANET message? I'll give you a clue. It was sent from UCLA. No, that's the right answer. Oh, the answer is low. It's short for login. Okay. Yeah, the next question is just for you guys. You don't get a flashback because you already got one. The question is Dave Goldberg. He was the founder of Launch Media and CEO of SurveyMonkey. How do you know his wife in the tech world? Yo, chill, dude. Yeah, I need her name. Yeah, it's close. It's Cheryl Sandberg. He's waiting for his prize. The answer is Cheryl Sandberg. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next round, and unfortunately, I'm hosting it too. Let's start it, I guess. They have to announce me.
Thank Thank you, Jackson and Sharon. The scores of the respective teams are Team Raven, 100 points. Team RIT Kottayam, 90 points. Team Ambassadors, 90 points. Team Chaos, 90 points. Team Uncle Bite, 75 points. Congratulations to all those teams. And
Now let's go to the round 4, Tech Boom.
is it a technical round, Pratik?
Yes, technology is developing day by day. So stay aware of the latest trends because it's gonna save your bench. Now I call upon Sharon Sabi for round Tech Boom.
Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So the rules are pretty simple and straightforward. These are multiple choice questions. You have 4 choices each. You can choose not to answer the question if you don't want to lose marks. If you get the right answer, you get 20 points. And if you get the wrong answer, you lose 10 points. Are you guys hearing it too? Okay. So you get 30 seconds per question. After that, that's it. There is no guesses for the audience, and kindly keep quiet. I don't know. That helps, you know. The topics include artificial intelligence, cloud, machine learning, and pretty much anything new in computer science. It could be recent events or latest computing trends and whatever. So let's go to the first question. And the first question is to Team Raven. If a Bitcoin is exchanged, the record of the transaction is publicly recorded onto a ledger known as dash. A, blockchain, B, billboard, C, blackboard, and D, bitchain. Remember, you don't have to answer it. Only answer if you know the answer. Time's running out.
A, blockchain.
That's the right answer. They get 20 points. The second question. Which company made headlines in 2016 when it was reported its AlphaGo program successfully beat a human professional Go player? And for those who don't know, Go is a board game. And it's pretty, you have to be pretty smart to play it. And this computer beat a human. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, it's to RIT Kottayam.
Google DeepMind.
That's the right answer. Okay. The next question is to Uncle Bites. Your question is, which of the following is an AI technique that allows computers to understand associations and relationships between objects and events? Your options are A, heuristic processing, B, cognitive science, C, relative symbolism, and D, pattern matching. And E, time's running out. You can skip it if you want. You won't lose points. If you skip it, you don't lose marks. Okay, they're skipping more. I mean, they're skipping the lesson, so they're not losing any marks. Oh, the right answer is pattern matching, D. The next question is to Team Ambassadors. The question is, Which of the following is a 6-second video sharing app that debuted in 2013?
A1.
That's the right answer. You get 20 points. Next question is to Team Chaos. What is Alphabet's URL? Your options are A. Oh, you're not supposed to look there. They're not going to help you, man. The answers, the options are A, abc.xyz, B, google.abc, C, alphabet.com, and D, google.xyz. Think about it. Really think about it.
A. ABC.x.
Pretty sure? Okay, that's the right answer. You get 20 points. And we're going back to Team Raven. The question is, what does Alphabet's Calico project focus on? Your options are A, curing age-related diseases, B, artificial intelligence, C, environmental protection services, and D, cloud-based computing. You get 20 points if you get it right, and you lose 10 points. You're skipping the question. The answer is A, curing age-related diseases. And the next question, oh man, I wish the mind readers were here. They would have made my job so easy. They would read it. I wouldn't have to do anything. Next question is to RIT Korean. This is the 7th question. The question is, what is a distributed denial of service attack? A, an attacker hits multiple sites at random. B, an attack which uses multiple computers to overload a target site. C, an attacker changes a victim's password to prevent access to their account. And D, an attack striking a mainframe. 5, 4, pass. They get no points. The answer is B, an attack which uses multiple computers to overload a target site. And the next question is the Team Uncle Bites. Question 8. The Syrian Electronic Army has emerged as one of the most powerful hacking organizations in the world over the last few months. But which of the following has not been a victim of the group? A, CNN, B, eBay, C, Microsoft, and D, Facebook. Facebook, that's the right answer. You get 20 points. The next question is to Team Ambassadors. The question is, the classic 3V model for describing big data includes volume, velocity, and A, acuity, B, variety, C, rapidity, and D, volatility. D. D, volatility. That's the wrong answer. You lose 5 points. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you lose 10 points. Next question is to Team Chaos. Oh, the answer was, what was it? Variety, B. The next question is to Team Chaos. Which of the following is not a major cloud computing platform? A, not a major cloud computing platform. A, Google 101. B, IBM Deep Blue. C, Microsoft Azure. And D, Amazon EZ2. They're skipping the question, so they don't lose any marks. You guys are getting bored, aren't you? Yeah, well, get used to it. That's life. The next question is to Team Ravens.
You didn't answer the question.
The answer was IBM Deep Blue. The next question is to Team Raven. It's the 11th question. Which of the following is an approach to computing developed by Dr. Lofty-Zadeh based on degrees of truth rather than the usual true or false Boolean logic? Your options are A. Zeiber-Woosling, B. Fuzzy logic, C. Smalltalk, and D. Arachnotaxis. It's a pretty simple question. Time's running out.
D. Fuzzy logic.
That's the right answer. You get 20 points. Good guess. And the next question is to Team RIT Cutting. Which of the following is known as the ability of a computer to use binocular vision to differentiate between different objects? The computer uses high-resolution cameras, a large amount of random access memory, and an AI program to interpret data. Your options are A. DiffServ, B. Model View Controller, C. Machine Vision, and D. Eye-Enhanced System. Pass. All right, there is no pass, so you can just skip the question. I'm not getting any marks for that. The answer is C. Machine Vision. I know these are hard questions. It's because they're all recent developments in technology. And I weep for our next generation because you guys don't know anything. This is sad. The next question is 13. Which of the following is a program that allows the computer to recognize human movements, such as waving, finger pointing, or change in eye direction, and identify the motions as specific means of interaction? A. Mime, B. Show control, C. Gesture recognition, and D. Motion plan.
C. Gesture recognition.
That's the right answer. You get 20 points. You can clap now. Yeah, don't worry, there's just 2 more questions. The next question is to Team Ambassadors. Really, we're getting to the end of this round, and there's an elimination after this round. So if you want to catch up, this is your time. 14. Which of the following is the potential ability of human brain to accept an implanted mechanical device, such as a computer, as a natural part of its representation of the body? A. Virtual machine, B. Self-assembly, C. Serendipity, and D. Brain-machine interface. Last chance. You don't have to answer.
No answer.
No answer, so you don't lose any points. Yeah, good choice. The answer was D. Brain-machine interface. So what it actually does is you'd be able to implant mechanical devices onto your body. So you'd practically be acting like a cyborg, like you see in movies or something. That's coming pretty soon. And you didn't know that. And 15. Last question to Team Chaos. Which of the following systems of programs and data structures which of the following is a system of programs and data structures that approximates the operation of the human brain? A. Intelligent network, B. Decision support system, C. Neural network, and D. Genetic programming. Take a good guess. This might be a last guess, because who knows? It might be going on. They skip the question. They don't lose any points. They don't win. So the answer was C. Neural network. And that's the end of Tech Boom. Yeah, that's it. There's an elimination after this round, which will be followed after they calculate the results. Yeah, one of you get ready to say goodbye.
So while they're calculating the marks, we'll be heading on to more questions for the audience. So we have some more questions. Okay. It's a USB question. Anyone can answer. The question is, What is the font or typeface of the Google's new logo? Oh man. Pardon me? Sans serif is the right answer. If you look into it so closely, you will see that it would seem to be like Futura. So if you look it closely, it seems to be Futura, but it's not Futura. It's sans serif typeface. It's a new typeface that has been introduced by Google. So the next question. The next question is a simple question. Expand ARPANET. Anyone? Expand ARPANET. Pardon me? No. You got it wrong in one place. That guy in the corner. That's the same thing that what he said. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Yeah. No. Okay. The question goes again to this guy. Anyone else? Last time I'm asking. No. Advanced. ARPANET. No, 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 no. Anyone? Yeah. Pardon me? No, no, no. So I'll give you the answer. Anyone else? Last chance. Last chance. Yes. It's not agent. What he said. See, it's administration network. Okay, let's cancel the question. No one answered. Okay, that guy in the white shirt. What's your name? Amal. From which college? Pardon? KMEA. So the prize goes to Amal from KMEA. The last question. The last question. Who is the first programmer? The guy in the red shirt. Pardon? That's the right answer. Okay, so let's move on to our next stage. They say, let's look at the scores. Raven, 140 points. Uncle Bites, 115 points. RIT Kottayam, 110 points. Chaos, 110 points. And Ambassadors, 100 points. So unfortunately, Ambassadors will have to leave.
Thank you, team ambassadors. You had great potential and best of luck next time. Now we move on to round 5, Identity Quest. Identify what is behind the tile which moves to the next round with style. Now I hand over to the quiz masters Abigail Joe and Jeevan George Anthony to host the round.
Guys. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Oh, you're legal. Okay. So this is the last second round of this Cerebro16. It's a bit different round. I hope you haven't seen a round like this in any of the quiz competitions that you have attended previously or not. Okay. The rules and regulations will be mentioned by Abigail.
Okay, here are the rules for this round. An image is hidden behind 16 tiles. Each tile is numbered from 1 to 16. Contestants can select any tile. A question corresponding to the tile will be asked. For each correct answer, the tile flips and reveals a portion of the image. The team gets 100 points if they answer in 1 to 4 clues. In 5 to 8 clues, they get 80 points. In 9 to 12 clues, they get 60 points. And in 13 to 16 clues, they get 40 points. A wrong answer will lock the corresponding tile. After the completion of all the 16 questions, the team can select any one tile to be freely unlocked and revealed. If the team provides correct answer after this, 20 marks will be awarded, otherwise 0 marks. And one wrong guess is allowed in between the 16 tiles. Is that said clear? Have you got any doubts? Okay.
But you must get one doubt right now, because we said that for each team you will get a simple question, but each team get a chance to choose which question they want to get asked. So here there are 6 questions. The team that gets the opportunity could choose which question that they want to be asked. From that, the tiles will be covered. The 16 tiles will be covered for the right answer. So let's move on to the team Raven. Choose any one question from this.
3.
Question 3. Here are 16 tiles. You can choose any number. For each number, there will be a question. And if you say the right answer, that tile will be revealed. Otherwise, it will get locked. Okay. Choose the tile.
7.
7. The question corresponding to tile 7 is, the programming language Ruby was developed by, who developed Ruby? You won't get any options, but you have to give the right answer. There will be no negative points. No problem. I will get locked.
Ruby itself.
No idea. Who developed Ruby?
Ruby itself. Ten.
Tile 10. Okay, the question corresponding to tile 10 is, expand CDN.
CDN.
Yeah.
Content Distribution Network. Content Distribution Network.
No.
Content delivery system.
Yes, it's the right answer. The first tile. Okay. You can guess. Six. Okay. The question corresponding to tile 6 is, language accepted by a linear bounded automata. Language accepted by a linear bounded automata.
Type 3 language. Regular grammar.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer.
11. One more.
11. Tile 11. I think it's a simple question. During the boot process, the dash looks for the system files. During the boot process, the dash looks for the system files.
Operating system.
It's the wrong answer. So choose another type.
We got to the answer. We go ahead with the answer. Fine. The answer is Elon Musk. Elon Musk.
The answer is wrong.
0 marks. 0 marks. All right. Elon Musk.
One wrong question അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ പറ്റും. Wrong or not? You can say.
ഈ പുള്ളിക്ക് പറയാം.
We are just checking. Just a slight delay. The answer is Elon Musk. You're going with it. I think it's the right answer.
So we get 100 points, right? We have used 4.
Team Raven gets 100 points.
Okay, so the next chance is for Uncle Bites. You may choose your quest. One. Quest 1. Okay, you may choose your first tile.
6.
6. Tile number 6. Okay, the question corresponding to the 6th tile is: name Microsoft's animated search engine to showcase its Silverlight animation and video player. Name Microsoft's animated search engine to showcase its Silverlight animation and video player.
Bing.
Excuse me?
Bing.
No, it's wrong answer. Okay, that tile is locked, and you may choose another tile. Okay, the answer is Taffiti. T-A-F-I-T-I. Okay. 10. Tile number 10. Okay, the question corresponding to tile number 10 is motto of NASA. NASA. Motto of NASA. Motto.
Network security.
No. I'm sorry, the answer is wrong. It is for the benefit of all. And you may choose your next tile. 7. Okay, the question corresponding to the 7th tile is: name Amazon's first Android-based tablet. Name Amazon's first Android-based tablet.
Kindle.
Yes, it's the right answer. Reveal tile number 7. Shall I move on to the next question? Yeah, you may guess. Yeah, one wrong answer is enough.
Satya Nadella.
The right answer, and you get 100 points. Okay, congratulations, Uncle Whites.
Team RIT Kottayam, it's your chance. Choose a question. Other than 1 and 3. Other than 4. Tile number 6. Okay. India's first supercomputer is. It's the right answer. Please reveal the tile. Next tile. 7. Okay. Round robin scheduling is essentially the preemptive version of. Round robin scheduling is essentially the preemptive version of.
I'm sure.
It's the wrong answer. It's FIFO. First in, first out. Okay. The question number 10 is, routine is not loaded until it is called. All routines are kept on disk in a relocatable load format. The main program is loaded into memory and is executed. This type of loading is called the type of loading. Okay, I will repeat the question. Routine is not loaded until it is called. All routines are kept on disk in a relocatable load format. The main program is loaded into memory and is executed. This type of loading is called.
Demand page.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The answer is dynamic linking. 11. Okay. If IP version 4 address format, in IP version 4 address format, the number of networks allowed under class C address is. In IP version 4 address format, the number of networks allowed under class C address is. Another type. 8. So sorry, the answer for the previous question was 2 raised to 21. Question number 8. In 1977, this company set out to prove that the prevailing theory that relationship database lacked commercial viability was wrong is. It's a company name. Yes, it's the right answer. Please reveal the column. The type.
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos.
It's the right answer. Since they moved over 4 clues, they get 80 points.
Okay, now it's a chance of chaos, and you may choose your question.
6.
6. Okay, you may choose your tile.
6.
6. Okay, the question for the 6th tile is, a folder in Windows computer can't be made with the name. A folder in Windows computer. Can't. That's the right answer. Please reveal tile number 6. Audience.
Okay. 10.
10. Okay. Who proposed relational database model? Relational database model. Who proposed relational database model? Okay. So you may choose your next tile. The answer is Edgar F. Code. Okay.
11.
11. Okay. The question is, the inaugural Turing Award was in the year. The inaugural Turing Award was in which year?
1970.
1970. No, it's 1966. You may choose your next tile.
7.
7. The first word processor application. The first word processor application.
WordPad.
Sorry, it's word star. Okay, and you may choose your next tile.
8.
8. Okay. Founding father of electronic communication age. Okay. Founding father of electronic communication age. 8.
Skip.
Skip. Okay, you may choose your next tile. Okay, it is Claude Shannon. Claude Shannon. You choose your next tile.
5.
5. Okay, in which year was @ sign first used in email address? In which year was the sign @ first used in email address?
1997.
Sorry, it is 1972. And you may choose your next tile.
9.
9. CEO of Infosys. CEO of Infosys. No, CEO of Infosys.
Sure. Vishal.
Vishal? Vishal?
Vishal. Shah. Vishal Shah. Vishal Shah.
Vishal, I think you're right.
Vishal Shah.
Okay, it's Vishal Sikka, and I think we can reveal the tile for them. Tile number 9.
Two. 14.
14. Okay. Headquarters of Microsoft is located in.
Seattle.
Excuse me? Can you please make your guesses fast? Your answers fast.
California.
California. Sorry, it's wrong. It is Redmond, Washington. Okay, I think headquarters should be mentioned very much correctly. Okay. It's Washington, yeah. And so, yeah, you may choose your next tile.
15.
15, okay. Along with Bill Gates, who is the co-founder of Microsoft? Along with Bill Gates, who is the co-founder of Microsoft?
Paul.
Paul?
Alan.
Paul? Paul?
Alan.
Alan's the right answer. Tile number 15.
എന്തോ 13 എന്തോ 16 16
Either you may make a guess right now or you may move.
3
3. Okay. The question corresponding to third title. The first fully supported 64-bit operating system. The first
Unix Linux
Make your answer clear. I think your answer should be very much specific.
Linux
Okay. Can you please make it loud?
Linux
Linux is the right answer. Reveal. Two. Okay. Who created the first website? Who created the first website?
skip 16
Okay. 16. It is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. Expand ENIAC. ENIAC. Corresponding to 16th child.
Pass. 12
12. It is electronic numerical integrator and computer. Okay. Linux Torvalds developed which operating system? Sorry. Linus Torvalds developed which operating system?
Linux
Okay. Reveal tile number 12.
Four.
Computer hard disk 4. Tile number. Okay. Computer hard disk was first introduced by which company?
Sony
Huh?
Sony
What?
Sony
Sorry, it is IBM. Let me choose your next tile.
13
30. Creator of Perl programming language. Creator of Perl programming language.
1
1. The answer is Larry Wall. Okay. Who created Apple I, which was the first Apple computer? Okay, I'm sorry. Who created Apple I, which was the first Apple computer?
Any guesses?
Do you want to say the answer?
Jobs.
Not Jobs. It is Steve Wozniak. Okay. Now, as a last resort, you may choose one tile to be revealed. And if you answer this after choosing that tile, you will get 20 points. Otherwise, you will get 0 points. You may choose one tile.
I'm also in the
Can you just say the number by count?
that one yeah that.
10 now.
Adana.
Okay. Roshan.
என்ன പറഞ്ഞോ
Do you want to make a guess?
No.
Pass.
Jimmy Wheels.
Not going to say the answer?
Jimmy Wheels.
No, it's the wrong answer. Display all the tiles, please.
Ooh.
The answer is tin coat.
Okay, so thank you everybody and all the best to all the participants.
Yeah. Are you guys hungry? Yeah, so am I. Let's make this quick. First question. Expand OCR. You. Hey, give him a prize. You won the answer. You got the right answer. The next question is just for girls. Okay, you guys are not answering any questions. And if you get this right, you get a USB flash drive. Okay? Expand CIA. Any girls? Expand CIA. I'll give you another question. Expand laser. Oh, it's just for girls. Expand laser. LASER. That's the wrong answer. I'm going to pass the questions just for the outside students. You. Yeah, you get a flash drive. Congratulations. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Next question. What is the meaning of CC in case of email? You. Carbon copy, give them a price. The last question for the last flash drive. Anybody can answer. The question is, which city hosted CES, Consumer Electronics Show, in 2016? Sorry, the first. Las Vegas, that's the right answer. You get a flash drive. And that's the end of me. I hope you all had fun. I'll see you later. Peace out.
Thank you, Abigail and Jeevan.
Let's get updated with the scores.
Let's go to the next round. Round 6, exit 0. It's a rapid fire round. To beat the best, beat the rest. I pass on to the quiz master, Abigail Ju.
Okay, we are moving on to the final round of Cerebro16. It is rapid fire round. I hope all the participants are I hope everyone is familiar with rapid fire round. The rules are very much simple. It is 20 questions per team and 10 for each right answer, and there is no pass. It will be for a time of 2 minutes, 20 questions. And I want you guys to say next so that I can proceed to the next question. It will not be displayed. The questions are not displayed here. I will be asking the question and I want you to say next so that I can skip the question and ask the next one. Okay, are you ready? Are the rules clear? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can I start? Okay, team volunteer, are you ready? Okay. Okay, the time starts now. How many block of numbers are present in an IP address?
Oh,
Right. Expand codec, CODC.
encoder, decoder.
No, it's wrong. An applet that runs on server side is known as? An applet that runs on server side is known as?
Servlets.
Correct. How many registers are present inside a DMA controller?
32.
Wrong. Which is the first high-level programming language?
C.
Wrong. Number of null brackets present in a 20-node binary tree? Number of null brackets present in a 20-node binary tree? Wrong. Who is known as father of supercomputing?
Pass.
Which is the first web-based email service? The time is running out.
Pass.
Okay. Who proposed stored program concept?
Von Neumann.
It's right. A data structure in which elements can be added or removed at either end but not in the middle is known as?
DQ, circular linked list.
Sorry, it's wrong. Latest Call of Duty game?
Call of Duty Ops 3.
Sorry, it's wrong. Worst case time complexity of bubble sort?
N square. Go up N square.
It's wrong. Sorry, it's right. Expand prolog, PROLOG. Current fastest supercomputer in India? It's wrong. Who owns Java currently?
Sun Microsoft.
Sorry, it's wrong. Oracle is right. Okay, so it's wrong, but then I cannot give you a chance. What is P in the format of .png?
Portable.
Right. Expand RISC.
Reduced instruction set computing.
Right. Name the microprocessors used in Apple computers.
AX7.
Wrong. Fastest keyboard. Okay, the time is over. And I think I can move on to the next team. The next team. There is no rewind. The questions will be asked in just one stretch. And are you ready? Is there any doubt? Team volunteer? Okay. Can I start? Your time starts now. How many bits are present in IPv6 address?
6.
Wrong. Expand prolog.
Pass.
Homogeneous set of tuples known as? Homogeneous set of tuples known as? Name the circuit used to store 1 bit of data.
Flip-flop.
Right. Which programming language is exclusively used for artificial intelligence? Right. How many stacks are required to implement a queue? Right. Father of computer science.
Alan Turing.
Right. Name the first search engine in internet.
Archie.
Right. Who developed Apple I?
Steve Wozniak.
Right. A language developed to assist children in learning geometric shape and computing aspects.
Pass.
Name the first computer game or digital game. Right. How many different trees are possible with 10 nodes? Expand UNIVAC, UNIVAC.
Universal Automatic Computer.
Right. Name India's first supercomputer. Right. Half byte is known as? Right. Expand ICMP. Highest resolution available from Blu-ray disc. Simplest file structure. Wrong. Linux command used for setting file permissions.
chmod.
Right. Android is based on which programming language?
Java.
Right. Okay, that's the end of RIT part. Okay, move on to the next team. Okay, can I start with you? Okay, team volunteer, are you ready? Okay, your time starts now. TCP or IP protocol used for remote terminal connection services. IP protocol used for remote terminal connection services. Wrong. Expand MIMD. How many layers are described in networking?
7.
Right. Number of flip-flops required in a decade counter. Flip-flops required in a decade counter. Right. Name the language developed by Dr. Seymour Aubrey Papert. Minimum number of queues required to implement priority queue. Who is considered as father of mini computers? Name of first computer virus.
Brain.
Wrong. Sanjay Mehrotra started which company?
SanDisk.
Right. Which country has the highest number of online banking malware infections in second quarter on 2014? Chuck, Bubbles and Matilda are characters of which famous game? Type of algorithm used for solving 8 queens problem?
Backtracking.
Right. The unit speed used for supercomputers? Unit speed used for supercomputers. Which is the first word processor application? Right. Port number of SMTP? In Windows XP, what does XP stands for? Which operator tests column for the absence of data? A NOR gate has high output only when input bits are? A NOR gate has high output only when input bits are? NOR gate has high output only when input bits are? I'm sorry, the time is out and it's wrong. It's wrong, it is 0. What's it? Can I start with you? Your time starts now. Loopback IPS. Latest Apple OS. It's wrong. In OSI architecture, dialog control and token management are responsibility of which layer?
Data link.
Sorry, it's wrong. Speed of computer mouse is measured in which unit?
DPI.
Wrong. Who is the creator of Pascal language?
Pascal.
No, it's wrong. Which company's name means brick in Greek?
Pass.
Name the bit used to signify that the cache location is updated.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's wrong. Which device is known as Silico Sapiens? Wrong. We open governments is the motto of which organization? Wrong. Which algorithm design technique is used in finding all pairs of shortest distances in a graph?
Skip.
Expand the term RPG, which is commonly used in gaming communities.
Skip.
Who invented laptops?
Skips.
HTTP port number.
80.
Excuse me?
80.
80. Right. A single packet in a data link is known as? in a data link layer is known as? Right. Last standalone version of MS-DOS. Founder of eBay.
Skip.
Name the unit used for representing number of discrete bits.
Skip.
What command is used in Linux to display the time?
Time. Date.
Date. Right. Who first developed QWERTY keyboard used in computers and phones?
Skip.
Which command lists files in DOS?
C. LF.
Please do confirm. Okay. That's the end of rapid fire round. Soon we will be having the results of Cerebro16.
Thank you, Abigail and Jeevan. Now I request all the team members to join the audience. What is next? What is next? And the winner is On another note, CSI, the Computer Society of India, SJCET, has hosted a C programming competition on college level on 26th February 2016. We would like to distribute the certificate and the cash prizes to the winners. I invite the HOD of the CSE department, Mrs. Smita Jacob, to hand over the prizes. The third prize goes to Sebastian Bijoy, S3 MCA, and a prize money of ₹1,000. The second prize goes to Deena Lynn Matai of S6 BTech CSEA, and she receives a prize money of ₹2,000. The first prize goes to Ebin Babu of S8 BTech CSE and receives a prize money of ₹3,000. The most anticipated moment of this event has arrived. The fifth position.
The fifth position goes to. The fourth position goes to Team Chaos. The third position goes to Team Angle Bites. And the second position goes to Team Raven. And the winners of the competition is RIT Core team with a score of 310 points. Now, I cordially invite our Honorable Manager, Father Matthew Korangura, to give away the prizes for the winners.
The fourth position goes to Team Chaos, and they are gifted with the Microsoft key.
Team members, please come forward. The second runner-up for Cerebro16 is Uncle Bites. The team members, please come forward and take away a gift.
The first runners-up goes to Team Raven. The team members of Team Raven, please come forward. The first runners-up goes to Team Raven. They are awarded with mementos, certificates, and Arduino boards. And the winners of Cerebro16 is RIT Kottayam. And I just call upon the members of the team. They're awarded with a cash prize of rupees 15,000.
Now, I call upon our Honorable Principal, Mr. C.G. Joseph, to give away the Arduino boards to the winners. Now, I call upon the team members of RIT Kottayam to take away their prizes. Now, I request the team members of the team, Raven, to come forward and take away their prizes. Next, the third prize goes to Uncle Bites. I request the team members to take away their prizes. The third prize goes to Uncle Bites. I request the team members to take away their prizes. Now, I call upon Team Kaios, who has secured the fourth prize. They are given a Microsoft key. Please come forward and take away your prizes. Team Kaios.
The fifth position goes to Team Ambassadors. They are awarded with a USB flash drive along with certificates.
Okay. Now I call upon the sixth position team Mind Readers to take away the eBay vouchers. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite our principal, C.J. Joseph, to give away the mementos with the quiz masters. Pritika Meryl Prasad, please come forward to take away your prizes.
Dina Lynn Matai, Sharon Sabi, Abigail Joe, Jackson Joseph Matthew, Benita Maria Joy, Milena Joseph,
Thank you, sir. Now I request the HOD of CSC department, Mrs. Smita Jacob, to hand over the mementos for the coordinators. Ebin Babu, Jeevan George Anthony, thank you, ma'am.
We have reached the end of this event. Participation is the biggest prize ever. Now, I take the honor to congratulate each team who participated in Cerebro16.
I request all the participants to fill in the feedback form and give it to the college authorities before leaving the campus. Now, it's time for us to depart. This is Pradina Matthew and Ashley Panos signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day. The participant certificates for all the teams who have participated in Cerebro16 has been available on the registration desk below. Now I call upon Mr. Jacob Richerian, the staff coordinator of CSCA, for the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. Please bear with me for 5 more minutes. I stand here as a proud coordinator of Cerebro16. Knowing the fact that you're all damn hungry, let me get straight to the matter. First and foremost, I thank God Almighty for the smooth conduct of the program. I thank our principal, Dr. C.J. Joseph Sir, our manager, Father Matthew Korangura, for their support and for their presence. Thank you, principal, and thank you, manager. I sincerely thank our head of the department, Mrs. Smita Jacob, for being a source of inspiration. Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of CSCA, I thank all the participants of Cerebro, the external participants, and SJCET students. A special mention to Amal Jyoti College and Musiliar College, who has participated the most number of teams. Thank you. This time, as we know, the event had sponsorships from eBay, Merklane, provided USBs. It is a company started by our alumni, Bibin Matthew Joseph, and Tops, another startup. They sponsored Odrina boards, again an alumni, Abu Matthew Thopan started the company, and Microsoft Student Development Community, Kerala. The Microsoft key provided by Microsoft student partner, Mr. Uman Kurula. I thank Mr. Uman. Thank you. Let me take this opportunity to thank the core team, the heart of Cerebro 2016, a vibrant, enthusiastic bunch of student volunteers from the college. I thank each and every student volunteer. Thank you. Special people need special mention. Design brain of Cerebro has spent hell a lot of effort in designing. Mr. Manish Mani and Matthew Joseph, Amal T. Jose designed the video teaser. Midun Matthew, Stanley Johnson helped us on board. Thank you all. The guys with the camera, Jibin, Reno, Manish, thank you. The stars of the day, the dashing anchors, the awesome quizmasters, thank you all. Well, who can forget the coordinators, Mr. Abin Babu, Jeevan George, and Jeff and Lisa James, for putting up this show, for all the support they have given to us. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, I wholeheartedly thank the entire gang of my colleagues from Computer Science Department for all the support, especially Professor Binod Thomas, co-coordinator of the event. Thank you. Let me wind up. I humbly request you to bear with all the numerous flaws that has occurred. This is an event, things can occur, but we really apologize if such events has occurred, and I hope you will take it in the spirit of the event. Have a nice day. You can run for food. Thank you.
Participants, please note that the EP vouchers given to you will be activated only after 1 week. Thank you. Volunteers, please stay back for the photography.